Welcome to our guide on PrizePicks withdrawal issues. Today, we'll help you understand the common problems and how to resolve them. Let's explore the most common reasons why your withdrawals might fail. These can range from verification issues to account limits. Here's a step-by-step troubleshooting guide that can assist you in resolving failed withdrawals efficiently. Understanding the withdrawal policies is crucial. Let's delve into the specifics of what you need to know. You can check your account status and limits directly in your PrizePicks dashboard. Here's how to do it. If you still encounter issues, contacting customer support is essential. Here's what you can expect during the process. There are alternative methods for withdrawals. Let's compare their effectiveness and how they might work for you. To ensure your future withdrawals go smoothly, consider these best practices that can prevent issues. Let's address some frequently asked questions about PrizePicks withdrawal problems to clear up common doubts. In conclusion, handling PrizePicks withdrawal failures can be straightforward with the right insights and tips. Good luck!